Okay, so this exercise, you're gonna take a half inflated over ball and then you're gonna roll down. You're gonna put this underneath your head. You can just get down on your back. Yeah, and just let your head be heavy on the ball here. So you can take a nice inhale and exhale, letting the weight of your skull fall into the ball. And breathe. And then here you can adjust the ball if you need to. And then letting your head be heavy, you can start to just nod your head yes and no. A little bit yes, chin going up and down, nothing too muscular. Just feeling the weight at the top of the head and feeling the weight towards the base of the skull. And then just turning your head gently side to side like you're saying no. Again, pouring the weight into the left side of the face and pouring the weight into the right side of the face. And if you want here, you can even take that into little nose circles. So you're circling on the ceiling as if you had a paintbrush on the end of your nose, just letting the weight of your brain fall into the ball. And you can do that in both directions. And just breathing, not letting any tension fall into the rest of the body. Great.